Hi everybody, this is Andrew. I'm going to do a very quick video here on what is the CFO Accounting Blueprint, why is it pretty much a new product in the US, and why it's valuable to you. So you're a CEO, maybe you're six figure, maybe you've crossed seven figures, somewhere between 500,000, 5 million in revenues, and either you're starting to experience difficulty in accounting, whether it's closing a loan or capital, or the auditors arrive, they're finding lots of errors in the books, or you just don't feel like you're getting what you should be out of accounting. You're not quite sure what you need. You don't quite know where to look. Maybe you have a bookkeeper. You know they probably don't have a big training in accounting. You're not 100% certain they're doing things right. You may or may not have a part-time CFO yet. Even if you do, they're probably 4 to 8 hours a month, and they're probably doing very, very high level stuff, not digging into the deep, meaty stuff of what you need. I know a lot of CEOs go to their tax CPA. The tax CPAs are mostly focused on returns, and they send you a checklist in the fall. They tell you kind of the latest laws, see if you have any new acquisitions or whatever, real estate purchases, and then they do your return. They usually don't do any serious tax planning, including a tax attorney, not what we like to see with CEOs. And so you're kind of stuck in this middle ground. You don't know, should you get a part-time CFO? What should you do? Who should you get with what? And you're just kind of left in this gray area. So this program, the CFO Accounting Blueprint, we have taught, and I personally taught over 500 CPAs, CFOs, MBAs all over the US. So I'm teaching the people that are serving you how to do it better and how to give you much more value. And now I'm teaching CEOs as well how to take charge of your finance and accounting, know what to get. And so in a nutshell, this course is really three pieces. First is education, and I call it a 60-day MBA in real world accounting, not textbook. We're going to show you exactly what accounting is, what you need to know about it to run your business better, and exactly what you need to do that. So we're going to go through this course. It's all online based. It's education. It's less than 30 minutes a day. I want every week, if there's 8 weeks, to be less than 4 hours, so you can go through it quickly. I know you're super busy. You're going to get a big education. So that's part one. Part two is the coaching, mentoring from me in a private community. We do live Q&A calls, answer questions daily. There's also other CEOs of seven-figure firms, so you're getting a lot of mentoring and knowledge and community. You're not doing this on your own. So if you have an idea or you bounce something off your tax CPA, you need a second opinion, we're there for that. So that's part two. You get quick education, you're getting community. Third piece, the CFO Accounting Blueprint. This is an actual document. It's actually two documents, the same thing. One is actually going to be printed, hard copy, mailed to you that you can use, put on your desk. The other one's electronic because you can update. There's tools and templates in here as well. So it's also an Excel file. And again, we're going to teach you to manage effectively your team. We're going to upgrade your accounting division, and there's every single tool, process, and template that you would ever need. And basically, this is the title page, and it comes across these tabs at the bottom. We've got contents, we've got instructions, we're going to go through the team and exactly who's doing what. We walk down the deliverables of every single person, exactly what they're doing it and when. Over here on the timelines, we're going to show you when things are being done each month and by who, and then that'll relate back to the deliverables. So you'll know exactly what you need from your tax attorney, your wealth planner, tax CPA, whoever it is. We have a tab on all the tools you're going to use and your accountant will use. And a lot of this, you'll be handing this off to your bookkeeper accountant. We have something called the Perpetual Data Room. Again, we built it in this Dropbox link so you don't have to do anything. And again, this is going to be where all of your data is, your legal documents, your contracts, your leases, your debt agreements, your intercompany agreements, HR, payroll, every single month's bank statement, your monthly reports, tie-outs, all those things we will have and have them organized so you can use them when you need them for investors, lenders, audits. It's ready all the time. Then we'll jump into the accounting tab. Again, this will be handed off to your bookkeeper accountant, exactly what you're going to use for payroll, for chart of accounts, exactly how the transaction flows go, what we're going to do every month in a tie-out system, exactly when and what's going to be done. And then there's also tabs down here. We're going to move into the later weeks into risk management, strategic, value-add activities, wealth, building cash, improved cash flow, tax planning, succession, legacy, all that stuff. We're going to cover it. So in one place, you got it all. You got the knowledge, you got a team at your back, and you got this actual set of work papers, templates, and skills to hand off to your team and say, this is what I want, this is what I expect. And so that's what the CFO Accounting Blueprint is. Let us know if you want to learn more.